Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is G, be winging it on my 2018 Goldwing, and this is another one of my motor vlogs. Today's July 4th, and I have my companion with me. Say
Hi
hello.
guys, it's Roz.
Yeah, say hello. It's Roz again. She's been coming along on quite a few of our rides, and uh, she's a welcome passenger. We welcome her input, and just want to take you along for this nice, curvy, swoopy road. Let's enjoy this for a bit.
A lot of nice scenery out here. And although the roads are very curvy,
Yeah,
it makes for a very nice ride.
well, that's part of the fun. Doing it on the Goldwing. That's right.
Just winging it.
Just winging it. G, be winging it. That's right. Off the top. Yeah, and we were enjoying the ride and videotaping some of the ride, and my Prism camera battery just gave out on me, and it usually you should get a decent 2 hours out of this battery, but if you're stopping and you're starting, and it, I barely got a good 45 minutes of play out of it. So fortunately, I hardwired uh, a cable to the bike's battery, and it leads to a port where I can charge it and use it at the same time. So that's what's happening now. So I don't have to worry about running out. I guess my only limitation is the amount of space available on the SD card. Again, this is a Cena Prism camera, and it's basically a 5-year-old unit that I'm using paired to this SRL headset. So it's an old tech, but still very good tech, and it shoots at 1080, 30 frames per second, uh, and that seems to do okay. I mean, you guys subscribers, tell me in the comments, how do you like the quality of the video? Is it good? Have you seen better? I'm sure you have seen better. Again, this is fairly old tech. Uh, so back to the battery life. What's your experience like with battery life when you're running cameras and or for your GoPros or whatever units you have out there? What's your battery life like? I'm learning the hard way that I better come with some auxiliary power or some external power, or I'm in trouble. Huh?
Yeah. Yeah, I guess I'm sure there is a certain level of frustration. I mean, I think you get pretty good quality with regard to the video on here, but having a hard wire can be a little
Yeah, for a second passenger, you may have the wire maybe in your way, right? I mean, is it under your leg or
I
it's
mean,
on the side of the
it's on
bike?
the side of my leg, but it would make it a whole lot easier if the wire weren't there at all. It would
Yeah.
be nice to have, you know, a longer battery life.
So I guess that's what this topic is really about. Uh, Bluetooth connectivity and how long? How long? I mean, what's the time frame for this connectivity? I mean, we always have to charge our headsets every evening if we're going to be out all night, or for the following day. And I mean, if you're touring, I mean, really touring, that may be a concern for you if the batteries. I mean, you got your music piped in, you got your intercom.
Kind of reminds me of way back when. I don't know if you remember when I had the video camera. Before cell phones were so advanced,
Yeah.
and I had to carry an additional battery with me.
You remember those
So
days?
yeah, I always had like two batteries with me. That thing was a dinosaur back then. I thought I was the shit though.
Yeah. And you had to have it charged all the time, right? That
You
second
had to
battery?
have it charged all the time.
Yep. I mean, it's like technology we're moving forward, but at what point is it going to be like really, really powerful? Like Bluetooth connects to everything. Battery lasts all day, 48 hours with under maximal usage. Are we getting there? Will we
The
ever be
more
there?
technology we have, the more we become
Well,
guess technology has its
hey, maybe we're just
advantages and disadvantages.
spoiled, huh?
Yeah,
I mean,
I would say.
I ride with a couple of guys on 2014 to 2016 Goldwings, and it's the old body style. Honda's had this style out for about 10 years, and they've got wires and buttons all over the place. But you know, I guess that's technology that they can rely on. They plug it in and unplug it, and they only have to worry about charging items that are like Bluetooth, unlike the new Goldwing, which is all Bluetooth. So I guess I understand where they're coming from. Although I can't get past the looks of that thing, but other than that, I mean, the connectivity of a hardwired system, you can't beat it for its reliability. For years, I ran the GPSs and music hardwired right to the bike, to the earplugs. Um, well, all subscribers, comment, like, share. What are your thoughts? Bluetooth versus hardwire. This is GB Winging It, and
Rods in the back.
thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Press the notification button. We're out.